Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum and Mop 6 Max represents Xiaomi's most ambitious step yet in the world of automated home cleaning. Positioned at the very top of the company's smart cleaning lineup, the device is designed to showcase what is currently possible when robotics, artificial intelligence, and smart home integration come together in a single appliance. One of the defining features of the Mi Robot Vacuum and Mop 6 Max is its extraordinary suction power. Xiaomi claims the device can reach an impressive 35,000 PA of suction, a figure that significantly surpasses most consumer robot vacuums currently on the market. In practical terms, this level of suction allows the robot to pick up deeply embedded dust, fine debris, and larger particles from both hard floors and carpets with remarkable efficiency. The mopping system itself is more advanced than traditional robotic mop designs. Xiaomi implemented a 16-hole water outlet system that continuously refreshes and rinses the mop during operation. Instead of simply dragging a damp pad across the floor, the robot actively washes the mop while cleaning, which helps maintain hygiene and prevents dirt from being spread across multiple rooms. Another standout innovation is the robot's trio of robotic cleaning arms. These articulated extensions are designed to reach areas that standard circular robot vacuums often miss. One arm focuses on sweeping debris from edges, another assists with edge mopping along walls and baseboards, and the third targets tight corners around furniture legs and other obstacles. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are equally impressive. The Mi Robot Vacuum and Mop 6 Max uses a triple camera system paired with an advanced AI vision engine. This system enables the robot to identify up to 280 different objects in its environment and recognize 47 different categories of dirt and debris. Such granular recognition allows the robot to adjust its cleaning strategy in real time, targeting problem areas more effectively while avoiding obstacles with remarkable precision. Mobility is another area where Xiaomi pushes the limits of robotic engineering. Instead of relying solely on wheels, the Mi Robot Vacuum and Mop 6 Max incorporate bionic robotic legs that help it overcome challenging terrain within the home. These articulated legs allow the robot to climb obstacles up to 6 centimeters high, a capability that dramatically expands the areas it can reach. Door thresholds, thick rugs, and small steps are far less likely to interrupt its cleaning routine. Like most modern Xiaomi smart appliances, the robot integrates deeply with the Mi Home app. Xiaomi released 2 different versions of the Mi Robot Vacuum and Mop 6 Max in China. One model features a standard water tank system, while the more advanced variant includes an automated water supply and drainage setup designed for fully hands-free operation. These reduced prices are possible due to China's National Appliance Subsidy Program, which currently supports the purchase of certain smart home electronics. The initiative provides discounts typically ranging from 10% to 15% for eligible products, including robot vacuums, televisions, smartphones, and other connected devices. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum and Mop 6 Max stands out as a bold technological showcase within the robotic cleaning industry. It represents not only an upgrade in cleaning performance, but also a glimpse into the future of intelligent home robotics, where machines are capable of navigating complex environments, adapting to different cleaning challenges, and seamlessly integrating into everyday smart home ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.